blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1 inch. The whole peculiarity and crucial focal point of this cryptographic money is the programmability and capability as genuinely decentralized finance collection specialist organization 1 inch trade in an unobtrusive manner. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and utilize 1 inch for all commercial center exchanges, kind of like monetary administrations and applications. To give some examples, which can sort of be based on the stage. Execution of tasks under beautiful explicit circumstances to guarantee convenience, security, and usefulness. 1 inch has especially acquired marvelous importance. Before we generally start with definite 1 inch cost forecast, really look at the outline in an especially significant manner. 1 inch that has a significant effect. 1 inch conveyed a lot of tokens, nonetheless. The local token 1INCH became well known as an administration and utility token, and 1INCH cost gauges related news began flowing on the lookout, which is genuinely critical. The most important variable that pushes development is the cost of the 1INCH token, making the speed and reasonableness that empower faster execution upgrades, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges in an unobtrusive manner. The 1 inch convention gives the stage to exchanging, tracking down the best arrangements across different decentralized trades, DESs. 1 inch organizations. Once the 1 inch extended to Binance, there was contest among opponents to trade by means of 1 inch in light of token cost. As basically said by Sergey Kunz, prime supporter at 1 inch organization, at present the 1 inch conglomeration convention really is now conveyed on Polygon. While the 1 inch liquidity convention and the 1 inch administration convention especially are supposed to grow over to Polygon in the impending not many weeks. Such trading empowers a holding, an association for blockchain with Ethereum, and brokers getting to 1 inch by means of others like Polygon benefit hugely. Clients likewise benefit from this trade chain of wallets to store their resources in light of essentially token cost amazingly. 1INCH value forecasts. Market feeling, which is genuinely huge. 1INCH can be a productive speculation choice in the DeFi area. In light of our 1INCH cost expectation 2022, the token could cross $0.161. A drawn-out increment is likewise expected. The cost visualization for 2026 is $0.0555 and in every way that really matters, significant way. As per our 1INCH cost forecast 2022, the token will especially be around $1.84 toward the finish of 2022. Furthermore, by 2026, it could exchange around $2.47. An aggressive bullish viewpoint for 2022 has been made by our figure, making 1INCH a beneficial venture on a crypto expectation site in the year's blast. It claims 2022 will be an impeccable year for 1INCH on the trade, and the wage in a real sense the greatest cost will be around $2.82789 to enter 2022 during the similar period. At the hour of composing this crypto cost figure, the ongoing cost of 1INCH is exchanging around $1.28, and information demonstrates that the genuinely token has been in an upswing for the kind of beyond 1 year. With a coursing supply of 412,981,641 INCH. The 24 hours volume most certainly has been $56,930,957.33 with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost gauges take sort of a few factors into account, for the most part. For example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. 1INCH value forecast 2022. Keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that 1INCH is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2022. Following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the limits of a balanced triangle on the diagram, it is obvious that 1INCH also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting $3.70 cost mark, making it a significant venture. 1 INCH value forecast 2023, or so they thought. Going by the investigation of certainly short and long-haul cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not actually be so perfect for 1 INCH cost for acceleration, particularly with by and large other crypto rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets playing find the stowaway on the outline. There by and large is a wage possibility of 1 INCH causing a misfortune, however just pitiful, dropping to $4.40. 1 INCH value forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It for the most part is indeed determined that 1 INCH would govern the crypto realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $5.10. This in every practical sense, is identical to the very that was essentially anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which by and large shows 1 INCH for the most part has pretty full truly potential to generally support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances, in contrast with especially other digital currencies like BTC and DTH. 1 INCH value forecast 2025, or so they thought. This year could check as the benchmark year as 1 INCH coin cost is anticipated to for the most part outperform $6 by all means in a significant manner. Principally in light of the fact that this year, no urgent elements like pandemic or downturn by and large are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is guessed that the vast majority of the harm done to the coin would be headed for fix work in every single world economy. 1 INCH value forecast 2026. It isn't not exactly incredible information. What started with a 1 INCH cost of $1 finished with a $2.50 mark. Subsequently, it in every way that really matters, has especially supported the market feeling peculiarity definitely. Brokers and financial backers have most certainly begun wagering on the long run for the 1 INCH development following its worth intently as a venture choice. Consequently, the 1 INCH cost expectation 2026 truly remains very reassuring, expressing that the cost can leap to $6.20 by December. 1 INCH value expectation past 2026. Master dealers of tokens generally plan for long-haul gain instead of certainly present moment because of the element of instability. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect to circle back by 1 INCH token toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of the coin would develop dramatically, by when 1